Hello and welcome dear fans. As stated in the title, the topic of this video is how to download the official Windows 10 final version legally and directly from Microsoft itself. My name is Andreas and you're watching Octopus Technology. Notice, this video only shows how to download and create a Windows 10 ISO, which includes both the 64-bit and the 32-bit versions, in order to remove you, the audience, from the hassle of finding out which system version of Windows you should use every time. So with this out of the way, let's dive right into it. The first step is a one-time step, as you will not need to perform it every time. On your desktop, find the PC icon. This is either named My Computer, Computer, or This PC. Right-click it and click on Properties. Under the System category, there's a System Type view which displays your computer's type or architecture. This should either be 64-bit or 32-bit. Write down your system type and proceed to the next step. The second step you need to perform is to click this link right here, which will take you to Microsoft's Windows 10 download page. If you are on mobile or you would like to inspect the link before clicking it, you may find it at the video description right below the like and subscribe buttons, which I hope you have already clicked. Once you open the link, you should see the official Windows 10 download page. Now scroll at the bottom of the page where you will find the download tool. Remember the system type of your computer? If yours is 32-bit, click on this link to download the 32-bit installer, or click this link to download the 64-bit installer. What this download tool does is to provide options for Windows 10 and download them for you. I will download the 64-bit option, which is the right one for my system. Once you have downloaded the file, move it to your desktop and get ready for the next step. Now it's time for step 3. Double-click on the Media Creation tool and you should see a What do you want to do page. Select the Create Installation Media for another PC option, as we do not wish to upgrade this PC now, and click on Next. In the next page, there are 3 more variables. The first one is Language, which is straightforward, and you should select your preferred language you are going to be using, which in this case is English United States. The second one is Edition, which needs some additional explaining. There are 5 editions which I'm going to explain right now. Windows 10 Home Edition, which is a basic version of Windows 10. Windows 10 Home N Edition, which is the same as Windows 10 Home but without any media players pre-installed. Windows 10 Home Single Language Edition, which is the same as Windows 10 Home but only offers one language for installation. Windows 10 Pro Edition, which is targeted more towards professionals, and finally Windows 10 Pro N Edition, which is the same as Windows 10 Pro, but again without any media player software pre-installed. For my case, I will select Windows 10 Pro Edition as it provides more power to the user. But if you are only doing everyday tasks on your PC, you should be just fine using Windows 10 Home. The third variable is the architecture. This is the version of the PC you are planning to install Windows 10 on supports. In this option, you should select both, as choosing 32-bit or 64-bit only is for using USB sticks or DVDs with less than 4 GB of storage. The both option, while it requires at least 6 GB of storage, is of great value, as you won't be needing to change architecture versions just to install Windows 10 on a PC with a different architecture than the one you have already downloaded. Click on Next and move on to the fourth step of the process. 2 more options appear here. This is how you wish to save Windows 10. The USB flash drive option, while suitable if you're going to be using a USB stick to install Windows 10, may not be the best option, because in case you lose, format, or break it, you will have to download Windows 10 from scratch. The ISO option, on the other hand, is a much better solution, as it is easy to copy, easy to burn into a DVD, can be transferred onto a USB stick later on, and can even be opened directly for updating Windows within the Windows environment. Select the ISO option and click on Next. Now for the fifth and final step. Once you click on Next, a new window will open for you to choose where you want to save your Windows 10 ISO file. Click on the desktop and click on Save. Once the process indicator reaches 100, your ISO file should be waiting for you on the desktop. If you have found this video useful, like it and share it. Subscribe to my channel and take a look at my other videos. Andreas signing out.